In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working iHerb promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up website, it can be Safari or Google Chrome, then go to google.com and in the search box enter iHerb promo code. There you can find a lot of different websites that offers you promo codes. You can go to any of them and for example on that site I can find 28 promo codes. I can scroll down to see them all, but usually the best offers are on the first positions. So here, as you can see, you can get 10% off your order using that coupon. You can hit at get coupon code to see that promo code. Also here you can open it and then move to iHerb website where you can make purchases, and once you are done and ready to pay the money, all you have to do is enter that promo code. Just don't forget to do it and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can go back to that site or to another site and try to use another promo code. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.